you'll see, this is my tower B, and the one behind is my tower D.
Okay.
Today we're gonna talk about Purva in codename Infinity. That's at your Bellary location, opposite to Decathlon. It's a main road property. You can actually see the advertisement of Purva Aerocity right on the main road.
Okay.
So we are coming up with a mixed development of around 25 acres, which will be a commercial and residential both.
Okay.
As of now, my commercial development has already been started, and we are coming up with 4 towers of commercial development that will be handed. 2 of this will be handed over to you by next year, okay, and other 2 will be handed over to you by say 2026 and 2027.
26 and 27.
Yes.
Okay.
So your 2 commercial towers, we are again in discussion with IT companies. So these will be leased out to IT companies.
Okay.
The 3rd tower will again be leased out to IT companies, and the 4th one, which would be our service. As of now, we are opening up with our sales lounge over there,
Okay.
and we will be handing over that part of commercial development towards the end of the project
Got
handover.
it. So what you're seeing here, this is a commercial development or a...
Correct. So the one that is already been happening is your commercial development. If you will see, this is my tower B, and the one behind is my tower D.
Okay.
Your tower A and B will be coming up in future.
Okay.
So this is going to be G plus 16 level of construction. That is going to be G plus 12 level of construction. Then we have G plus 10, and the last service and your retail will be somewhere around G plus 3 or G plus 4.
So the residence is on a launch stage right now.
No. So as of now, in this complete 25 acres of land parcel, we are looking at 15 acres of your commercial development.
Okay.
And phase-wise, we're going to do your residential development. So as of now, we are launching 7.5 acres of land parcel,
Okay.
where currently we are collecting expression of interest for this property.
Got it.
So what I mean by expression of interest and the property details, so this is going to be a 7.5 acres of commercial development only.
Okay.
We have applied for RERA. We should be launching the project by December mid.
Got it.
Okay. Once we get the RERA, then we will move on to the launch phase.
Launch phase.
Okay. We are looking at G plus 21 floors of construction with 2 basements. Okay. Your clubhouse and amenities will be designed on the 21st floor as well as spread across on the ground level.
Ground
as well.
level. Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
Now coming to my inventory, we have combination of 2, 3 and 4 BHKs. 3.5 BHK actually that is available over here. My 2 BHK will be of dimension starting from say 1100 to somewhere roughly 1350 or 1400.
Okay.
Then I have 3 types of 3 BHK. One will be somewhere starting from say 1400 will go up to 1600 square feet. The other dimension will be say 1600 to 1800 square feet. And the last one we have is 3.5 BHK that will start from say 18 to 1900 will go up to 2000 square feet.
2000 square feet.
So
Got it.
my pricing is starting from, for my 2 BHK, starting from 1.70
Okay.
is what we are looking at, and for my 3 BHK we are looking at somewhere say 2 crore rupees is what we are expecting to
Expecting
the
of it.
starting price of it. The highest of the pricing will go up till 3.10 in terms of my 3.5 BHK.
What is the square feet for that?
3.5 BHK, as I told you, we'll have variants. So it will start from say 1900, will go up till 2000 plus square.
Got it. If I speak about this location,
Okay.
what is the upcoming things which is happening here?
So
Because
location wise, it's one of the prime locations. It's, as I told you, it's right on the national highway. We have 2 metro stations connectivity from this location, and if you will see your IT development, like your KIDB, your ITPL, and your Nanotech Park, and all those development is already being planned over.
land out.
Then your Infosys is already been shifted towards north side, and all your IT segment is gonna shift towards your KIAD.
Okay. Okay.
So this is what is your commercial development. That is what we are looking at. In terms of your road widening and all, inside within the property itself, we have 60 feet roads on both the sides.
Both sides.
So this entire township will be developed and maintained by Purvankara even after handover.
Got it.
Okay. So the commercial handover we are looking at 1 year from now. We will be handing over both the towers of commercial, and we are in discussion with big IT companies as well, so that we can lease it out. So this is going to be on long-term lease by Purvankara to, so this is not for sale. This will be leased out to big IT company.
Okay.
Now coming to your residential, as I told you, 4 years would be as per agreement and 5 years would be as per RERA, your handover. And commercial, it will be phase wise. So your phase 1, we are looking at 330 units total. And
So you have future developments also coming.
Yes,
in
future
India.
development, we have acquired another 2.5 acres of land parcel that you can actually consider to be our phase 2.
Okay.
So
Got it.
once this has been ready, we can look at the phase 2 where we will be coming up with one more tower.
Okay, got it.